Alright, what are y'all building over here?
Wait, tight in here, bro?
This flat side is always okay. Listen. It's okay. Alright, you don't make mistakes. It's fine. Just remember. Right and tight,
Go. Go. I'm sorry, bro. Hey.
And it's rubber. Once it and it stops and you can't turn it anymore, that means you need to
Now we got two stuff.
So this is the frame. These are the pieces of the truck. This is going to keep the car from getting. Just want you to know what you're talking about when you're doing it. And it's not just the brain car.